Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue of PayPal putting your money on hold. So step 1, log into your PayPal account and go to activity. Look for transaction marked as on hold. Step 2, click the transaction and check why it's on hold. It could be due to a new seller account, risky behavior, or unconfirmed shipping. Step 3, if you are selling a product, update the order status. Go to the activity and then order details and click add tracking info. Choose a valid shipping carrier and tracking number. Step 4. If you are selling a digital service or product, select service or virtual product and click order processed and then confirm the delivery. Step 5. Encourage your buyer to confirm the receipt. Once they do, the funds will be released faster. Step 6. Avoid disputes, refunds, and poor delivery timelines, as this can delay future payouts. The funds usually clear in 7 to 21 days, but these steps can shorten that. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.